G'day traders, welcome to an Edgefinder AI update video. In this video I'm going to be talking about some changes that I've made to Edgefinder AI and just going through what is currently there right now and run you through what is coming as new things that I'm building. So currently this is the dashboard, and what you can see here is that there is swing trading and scalp trading options and a little thing down the bottom saying how Edgefinder AI works. On the left side you'll see that there is a dashboard, find scalp trade, find swing trade, my findings, and then pro features will have expert advisors if you've got that plan, and the trade journal. Now the trade journal is something that I'm currently building and it will be coming out soon, along with some other changes that I'm currently doing. So without further ado, let's have a quick look at what it currently looks like. This is what an analysis looks like currently on the website, and this is going to be rejigged and is going to be made fresh, which you'll see very shortly. So when I built Edgefinder AI, the idea was to put in your account balance, your stop loss, your take profit, the symbol, and put in the charts and get the analysis engine to give you an idea on whether you should take the trade, avoid the trade, and go long or short, or things like that, and give you kind of an analysis. In doing so, I've realized that it kind of morphed into a signal engine, and that is not what it is. As you can see here, you can see there is entry signal parameters. Enter a buy trade at market price with defined stop loss and take profit levels. It'll give you the symbol, the entry, the stop loss and take profit, the time frame, the risk size, which is wrong, and I'll talk about that soon, and a little bit of a final verdict, an edge score, which is what this is all about, suggested actions, which is just the same as this here, and a rationale. Now the problem with this is that people think it's a signal. I'm a signal provider, and that's not what Edgefinder AI was built to be. And I highly discourage using the entry signal parameters because it's really hard to get them right, and you're not paying for a signal engine. This is not what it is. So I'll share with you all what it is and what I meant for it to be shortly. Just some other little things that I'd like to chat about before we get into that is that my findings is kind of a trade journal, but it was kind of not really thought about very much. It was kind of new, and what you can do is you can see all of the findings that you've done over the past. Now this will be made gone in the future version, my findings. Basically, the reason being is that you can see them down here, and this is it was kind of meant to be a trade journal, but not really. So this is going to be moved to the trade journal. Now the trade journal doesn't work right now, and it's currently being worked on. The other thing I'd like to share is that I'm on the AIEA plan, and you can't actually click here. You can't go to your account or billing from here, and I thought that kind of sucked. So now in the new version you can do that, and I'll share that shortly. But if you do want to do that, you just go to your account there and then go and have a look at that from there. But this dashboard will change. The coloring will change. It's just something that I did really quick, and I'm going to be refining it as it gets better, and it is getting really good. So let's get to the new version that I've just built. So this is Edgefinder AI, the result page, or version 2 of the result page, and you can see here that there is more emphasis on the edge score, the market summary, and all of that kind of stuff in the edge analysis breakdown. There is going to be a trade setup still. I still think this is valid, but I do not recommend that you take every single trade setup. And the reason being is that AI can hallucinate. It can get the entry price wrong, the stop loss or take profit, it can get it wrong. So take it as a grain of salt. It's just an idea. It's a trade setup idea. This will get better over time. I do agree. And with the journal, we'll be able to journal these and see what its win rate kind of is moving forward over a few periods of months. So let's have a look at what it looks like when it suggests not to take a trade. So this is what it looks like. I did this for Solana USD. Yes, you can use crypto, you can use indices, you can use stocks, you can favorite it. And what it says here is that you should avoid this. It's a 1 hour time frame analysis. This is what it says. And this is a market summary. Stay flat, wait for a bullish structure change. You can read all that. But basically this is saying that there is no trade signal that it's seen right now. This is a breakdown of the edge analysis, and this is the thing that I built that basically says, hey, these are all the confluence scores that it needs for you to be able to say, hey, look, yes, there is a trade that could be here, or there might not be a trade here. So these are all confluence scores, and if they're all low, don't take the trade. It basically says here 48.25 out of 100. Edge score, not good. Don't take the trade. Now the problem with this is you can't actually see the chart, and you can't see what the charts did look like when you did this. So I'm probably going to add that maybe down the bottom, or I'll add it in here somewhere. But yeah, that's just one of the things. Right now you can go to your billing from here. You can go to here. I don't have an active subscription in this account. I've got quite a few accounts, and this one here, this is meant to be a buy tokens, but I haven't finished that part yet, so that's coming soon. So basically, yeah, it is a work in progress. If there is any feedback that you want to give me, by all means, go to the feedback form, put it in, let me know. I don't know. So if you find any bugs or things just don't work, just let me know, and I'll definitely act on every single one. So that pretty much rounds out what I wanted to talk about with Edgefinder AI. There are changes coming. This here will change. If you are not on the free plan, this will probably be gone because you know how to use it, and the trade journal will be here. And I'll talk about the AI EA that I built in another video. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.